Ganda for the review is memory verse.
Memory verse.
Sige, ang una, mag-memorize sa Psalm chapter 23 verses 1 to 6 si Shayana. Followed by TJ. And then everybody na dayon atong Genesis 12:2. Sige, ate, diri ka sa una ate.
Psalms 23 verses 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lay down in the green pastures. He led me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. He led me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yet though I will walk through the valley of shadow of death, I will fear no evil. Thou art with me. They rode and they stopped, they comfort me. Though he prepares a table in the presence of my enemies, He anoints my head with oil and my cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy in all of thy days, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Wow. Sok man.
Psalms 23 verses 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I have everything I need. He lets me rest in fields of green grass. He leads me to quiet pools of fresh water. He gives me new strength. He guides me in the right paths in his promise. Even if I go through the deepest darkness, I will not be afraid, Lord, for you are with me. Your shepherd's rod and your staff protect me. And you're a blanket for me as he has promised. You welcome me as an owner's guest and fill my cup to the brim. I know that your goodness and love will be with me all my life, and your house will be my home as I live.
Praise God. O, nakapurize sa mga bata o isa ka chapter mga igsuon.